Hello students, welcome to class. I'm Rhonda Batina, Mrs. B. I hope you enjoy the course. The first thing you need to do is check out the course information, the syllabus. It's a contract between you and me, and just be aware of the due dates and the policies. The main policies I'd like for you to focus on is academic honesty and plagiarism. Just make sure that all the work you turn in is yours. If you plagiarize, you can get a 0 for the assignment, and then the second time you can get an F in the course and be removed. So just turn in your own original assignments. The other thing I'd like for you to focus on is that you need to turn everything in on time. This semester goes by pretty quickly, and the daily work, like the discussion boards and journals, I use those to offer you advice. I'll read them, I'll point out some of the problems that you might be having, I'll give you suggestions or tools on how to fix some of these problems. And so that's my way of helping you prepare for the essay. And it's important to get those turned in on time, so you will have all the tools you need when you write your essay, and your essays will be solid. Now, here are the due dates and how you will be evaluated. We'll have some journals, and then we're 20%. The discussion boards are worth 20%. The 3 essays that we do are worth 45%. That's 15% for each essay. And then the research argument is 15%. And then finally, here are all the due dates. It tells you that everything has to be turned in by midnight on the assigned date. Okay, now the first assignment is Company Man. And you read these 2 pieces and do a discussion board, and then the next day you'll respond to your peers and do a journal. And so let me show you how to find everything. If you look in the content folder, the folders are divided by mode of writing. So the first folder it says general writing tips. If you need help, and for example, I write on your journals, use more powerful verbs, or vary your sentence beginnings. These sentences, too many sentences start with subject verb and a little choppy. You can find suggestions or tools or strategies on how to fix those problems. Okay, so this is where you go, general writing tips, to find advice and strategies and useful documents. For example, transitions. You have to have transitions. You need transitions to lead into examples. You need transitions to emphasize and show cause and effect relationships. So all of those are right here. Okay, it's a very handy document. So if I tell you, try to add some transitions, this is where you go. Emphasize, summarize, add, compare, contrast. Okay. Now, if my comments tell you vary your sentence beginnings, well, right here it tells you sentence varieties, so you can open that up and look at it. When we do a research paper, you will need a works cited page, and there's some examples in here. Okay, this is just a resource folder. Now, the first assignments that we're going to work on are arguments, and so in the argument folder, there's text structure, and this is my favorite, Cicero. It's a classical argument, and it works for almost any type of essay. And so when we start writing our first essay, our definition essay, this is what you'll use. It'll tell you how to organize your essay. And I will go into more detail on that when we are working on the essay. The first assignment is defining. And so the 2 pieces that you have to read will be in the definition folder. Okay, you'll read Company Man and What is Happiness, and write about those 2 pieces. And then the next assignment, you watch this TED Talk and write about it. Then we'll listen to this and respond. And so the first few assignments are here in the definition folder. Okay, every chunk of work we do, you'll find everything that you need in the folder. All the assignments, videos, everything. Okay, and I think that's it. Good luck. I look forward to working with you.